We just learned how spinach can rebuild your leg strength and boost circulation. Now, let's talk about two more powerful foods that can protect your muscles and joints and keep you moving easily well into your 80s and 90s. Because true strength doesn't just come from muscle power, it also comes from joint flexibility and balanced movement. The first food on our list is fatty fish, like salmon, sardines, or mackerel.
Scene: animation showing omega-3 molecules reducing inflammation around joints. Omega-3s act like natural lubricants inside. Scene: senior woman bending easily to pick something up, smiling with relief. The second food is one you might already have in your kitchen: turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound famous for its ability to fight joint pain and inflammation naturally.
Scene: senior man sitting comfortably, massaging knees, smiling gratefully. Together, these foods, spinach, fatty fish. Opening scene: sunrise over a calm neighborhood. Elderly man opens window, smiles, and stretches. Now that you know which foods to eat to rebuild muscle and protect your joints, let's talk about how to start your day. Because what you do in the first 20 minutes of the morning can set the tone for your entire body. Next, stand and hold on to a chair or wall for support. Do 10 slow heel raises. Lift your heels off the floor and lower them gently. This simple move strengthens your calf muscles, improves balance, and helps prevent falls. Then, scene: breakfast table with healthy foods, spinach omelet, oatmeal with flax seeds, and a glass of water with lemon. After your walk, it's time to feed your muscles the right way. A perfect senior breakfast might include a spinach omelet for strength, oatmeal with flax seeds for joint support, and a cup of warm turmeric milk later in the evening for recovery. These small choices, repeated daily, create big changes over. Music brightens slightly, hopeful and empowering tone. So remember, avoid processed, sugary, and fried foods. Eat muscle-healing foods like spinach, fatty fish, and turmeric. And start each morning with gentle leg activation and a nourishing meal. Your legs carry you through life. Take care of them, and they'll take care of you.